2021 Toyota RAV4 turn signal. We're going to be doing the driver's side, but the same thing applies to the passenger side. It's right behind the front of the headlight, obviously right in front of the air filter. You're going to sneak your hand underneath the support. The connector is going to be right here. You can see my finger here on it. You're going to hold the connector, and there's going to be a clip that you push in to remove, okay? Now that that's removed, we can remove the bulb itself. See my finger here? You're going to turn it counterclockwise and pull back on it. And this is the bulb you're going to replace. You're going to take the old bulb, make sure it's not hot, remove it. Okay, you get the new bulb and you pop it back in. Okay, once you get the new bulb installed in the socket, you put the socket back inside the headlight assembly. You turn it until it catches, because there is little tabs that have to line up. Once it's there, you turn it clockwise and it's completely on. Then you put on the connector until you hear it click, and you test it, and that's it.